We're doing zombie makeup. Lucas loves to do makeup and all that kind of creative things and special effects and stuff. So he really likes scary stuff too. So he's gonna try to make me into a zombie. He loves doing all these kind of cool things. So let's see what he can do. I'm just gonna let him do whatever he wants to do and we will see what happens. Mummy is here to help, should he need any help. He's already putting glue on my face. I don't know.
No, I didn't even put glue.
You're gonna, I know you are. Let's do it. Whatever you wanna do. Oh, that tickles. Is it supposed to tickle turning into a zombie?
Well, you can laugh if you want to.
So this is actually, I am now getting toilet paper on my face. This is clean toilet paper, correct?
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this way a little bit. There we go. That's better. You can see it now. I feel pretty. I look like somebody who has toilet paper on their face. So this is Mod Podge.
Mom, do you have to be
And toilet paper. Yeah. And now she's going to use a hairdryer on my face to dry the glue. This video is gonna blow you away! This is what the weekend's all about, ladies and gentlemen.
Is it dry?
It's okay.
It's dry enough.
Okay.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna do this. We don't do that many makeup videos. I don't know what I said. Here we go. Continue.
Ready?
This is nice. It's like going to the spa.
Now let's do a little reindeer.
Now I won't get a sunburn. That's nice. If anybody rings the doorbell right now, I'm not answering it. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Sorry, come on in. I just got bitten by a zombie.
A 6-year-old.
Bitten by a 6-year-old. I guess we'll find out if I'm allergic to makeup. Oh, that's looking so cool. You bit me.
No. Oh, do you want something to be like drip down? There. Now look at it.
Oh, that's so cold! It's good, that's like realistic.
Oh, wow.
Ouch! 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 I wanted a goodnight kiss! Are you chewing? Yum, yum. All it is food coloring and sugar, powdered sugar. That's all. I hope I taste good.
Yes, you do taste good.
I think you did a cool job. Look at that.
Now,
Oh, it's dripping all the way down. Oh, that's so, it's cold, but it's weird. Ow. Ooh. It stinks. Ow, ow. Ow.
Oliver, I accidentally bited Daddy. It's really bad.
Pretend you're biting me. Pretend.
Oh my. Did you even paint yourself white? No, I don't want to turn into a zombie. Okay, I'm gonna do a scar to you. How am I supposed to get on? No, I need to see your cheek really cool. Now do a zombie noise. And you're going. No, like go to that. No, you can do it with your hands. Oh, it just looks like. Wait, Daddy, I got a good idea for this. For the honors, you can.
Watch out! Watch out!
Okie okie oh, cowboy. Okie okie oh, hoo. Okie okie oh, cowboy, cowboy, cowboy under the moon. I was riding my horse down by the river Grande.
Oliver, now be quiet.
I saw me a cowboy, cowboy, cowboy running towards me. Okie okie oh, cowboy. Oh, okie okie oh. Okie okie oh, cowboy, cowboy. Under the
I see a happy face on Daddy's nose.
Did you? My nose looks like marshmallow.
Okay, still. Wait.
The skin is going off.
Here. What? Oh yeah, this is. No, just dab it. Oh, I need it.
Dab it. I mean, it's pretty darn good considering that was toilet paper and glue.
Do you want to rip it off?
Not yet.